Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VS Code in your PC. This is really simple. Just go to the browser and search for VS Code, and then here you can see visualstudio.com. So we'll click here download to directly go to the download page. Okay, and here you can see we have Windows option, Linux and Mac. So currently we're using Windows, so we'll go with Windows and we'll select it, and then within short time it will actually start downloading. Here you can see, so we have successfully installed download it. Now you can actually go to the downloaded folder. Here you can see, now we'll actually double click on it to install it in our PC. So we'll select I accept the argument and then next, and now you can select any drive where you actually want to install. I will actually go with the default drive, C drive, then next, and then I'll check it, create a desktop icon, click here next, and then install, and then it will actually start installing. Here you can see, here we go, we have successfully installed it. Now if you uncheck it, then it will not open right now, but if you check it, then click here finish, then it will actually launch the app, Visual Studio Code. So maximize it, and this is the home page. Here you can see, so we are going to say here mark done, okay, so that all options actually gone. And now here you can see show welcome page on startup, so it is checked, so we'll uncheck it, otherwise it will actually pop up every single time you open VS Code. Then I think it's irritating, right? Okay, so in the left side, if you click on Explorer, then here you can actually open folder, any folder. So I would love to actually create folder and then work on that folder, specific folder. Why? Sometimes we need live server, so live server will not work for a single file. Live server will work for a folder, so you should create a folder and then you should actually work inside folder. Okay, so to create folder, you have to actually click here open folder, and then select any drive or any folder from where actually you want to add, or which folder actually you want to add. Let's say I want to add from here, so I'm going to say test vs, and I want to add this folder, so I will actually select the folder and the folder will be added. Here you can see, and I will check it that trust the author, because yes, it's me. And from here I'll click here to create new file, and let's say I want to create index.html file. And now if I say here exclamation sign and hit enter or press tab, then it will actually complete the boilerplate. Okay, and now inside body I can say here that h1, press tab, it will complete the structure, tag, and then here I can say hello from VS Code. Now let's say I want to run this on a live server, so what I have to do, I have to actually go to the extension. Here you can see in the left side, and here I will say live server, and I have to wait. Here you can see we got live server, so I'll click here install, and installing. When it will be installed, it will actually show here in the right bottom corner. Okay, so we have to wait for some times. So check this, okay, check this for auto update. Here you can see we have successfully installed it. Now in the right bottom corner, here you can see go live, we have option here. So now if I remove this, and if I go to the folder explorer, and if I now click here go live, it will actually go to the browser and it will open. Here you can see hello from VS Code. So what you have to do, you have to actually go back to the browser, and here you can see hello from VS Code. Now if I change anything real time, let me show you. If I change anything real time, let's say here I want to add h2, let's say it will be actually shown here. Okay, so I'll say hello from VS Code once again, again. Okay, yeah. Now if I save it, and here you can see automatically reload here, right? So this is a really important server, live server. Okay, the really important option basically. Okay, all right, so I have shown you how you can actually install VS Code. So we have some let's say you want to learn web technologies. So website designs and development. So I will actually show you some extensions that actually really needed for you. And if you want to actually know all about this, and if you want to create, you know, all the project through AI, you can actually follow our channel, because we are going to upload, you know, video related to AI, I mean AI integration, so that you can I mean your web development journey or programming journey actually become easy. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you so much for watching.